What if I told you some of your daily habits are quietly damaging your gut? Some of you might immediately blame your morning coffee, but science shows moderate coffee drinkers often have more beneficial gut bacteria. The real culprits are usually the habits hiding in plain sight. I'm Dr. Sadhu Dharot, and after decades in clinical practice, I have seen how an imbalanced gut, often referred to your body's second brain, can lead to fatigue, bloating, mood swings, and food sensitivities. Today, I'll break down the 5 worst habits for your gut and, more importantly, give you the simple, evidence based ways you can do to recover from them. First, eating a highly processed, low fiber diet. Diets packed with ultra processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats with almost no fiber. They starve your good microbiome and feeds your inflammatory bacteria present in your gut, leading to issues like leaky gut, inflammation, and chronic disease. The recovery tip here is simple. Focus on fiber and variety. Aim to eat more different plant foods each week to fuel your good microbiomes. Eat more fruits. The second habit, the combination of chronic stress and poor sleep. When you're stressed, your body pumps out the hormone called cortisol, which can harm your good bacteria and weaken your gut lining. Bad sleep makes it worse by disrupting your microbiome and also disrupts your body's recovery phase. It's a vicious cycle where your gut pays the price. To recover from this, add 10 to 15 minutes of mindfulness to your day and stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on the weekends. Remember, a calmer nervous system often creates a calmer gut. Habit number 3, a sedentary lifestyle. People often think exercise is only about weight or fitness, but movement matters for the gut too. Sitting all day is consistently linked to lower gut microbial diversity. In contrast, regular exercises is shown to boost health, promoting bacteria that are vital for a stronger gut barrier. The fix is to move more. Aim for moderate exercise, at least 3 to 4 times a week, and try to get up and walk around for a few minutes every 1 to 2 hours. Now, the fourth is nicotine, whether in the form of cigarettes or vaping. Now, many people see vaping as safer, but there are a lot of emerging research that shows that the chemicals in them can be harmful, causing gut inflammation and a leaky gut, even more than the cigarettes. The only recovery tip here is very blunt. Quit nicotine, quit smoking. Finally, the fifth habit is the misuse or overuse of antibiotics. Well, sometimes antibiotics are life-saving. They are like a bomb to your microbiome, wiping out both the good and the bad bacteria. A single course of antibiotics can disrupt your gut flora for months or even years. To recover from this, remember, only take antibiotics when truly necessary for a bacterial infection. After the course, help your gut by loading up on prebiotics and probiotics, either naturally or by supplementation. So to recap, ditch the processed diet, manage stress, get moving, quit nicotine, and use antibiotic wisely. Your daily habits have a huge impact on your gut. But the good news is your microbiome is resilient. But don't take this for granted. Now, if this was helpful, please hit and subscribe. And now I want to hear more from you. Drop a comment below. Which of these habits is a problem for you? And we'll try to see what the solutions we can get. Thanks for watching.